Hey everyone, it's Veronica. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to work with icons that have transparent sections in them. You may have noticed occasionally if you download maybe an icon from Content Library or insert an icon of your own, if it has any transparent areas, you can see here I'm hovering over, but as soon as I go into this middle area, it's no longer hoverable and also not selectable. If I click on it, I have to click on it on the color part to make it selected, but that middle bit doesn't quite work. And that's because this area here is transparent. This is a vector image, so it just doesn't work. So one way to fix that is to go into your icon edit states, click on edit states, and there's a couple of things you can do. One is you could just insert, in this case, because I have a white background, you could insert a white circle or shape that will just be sent to the back like so, turned to white, and that is now going to make that transparent section not transparent anymore, although the user won't know the difference because it's the same color as the background. So if I copy that shape over to my other two states and also send them to the back like so, if we preview that, you'll see that the problem is resolved. Now the issue becomes if your background is not white, or at least not a solid color, that might be a bit trickier. So the other thing you can do is go back into your states, and I'm going to select that shape. And if you extend or expand your formatting tools, you can make that shape almost fully transparent, but not quite. Just make it 99% transparent. It'll be just as good. And that should solve the problem. Let's see, 99. There we go. And that is still fully clickable and fully selectable. So for argument's sake, if we had a picture, in the background, that picture still can be seen through that hole in the icon, essentially, even though we had a shape there that's just 1% opaque. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute storyline tip.